Hello there, welcome to Thinkcyber India. In this video, we will be going to learn about binary number system. As in the previous video, we have talking about digital sizes like KB, MB, GB and all. In this one, we will understand about the binary number system. So before starting, we must know why we do have this system. From the previous session, we do understood that our device understand the things in the form of 0 and 1. Now let's see how this thing can be technically implemented over the system. As you can see, some digits, some numbers has been there with some powers of 2 like 1100, 1010 and with the powers of 201, 21, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 4, 5 and lots of. So yes, the device will be using such systems to provide us the information. Now here comes the question, if the device too understands the data, understand the things in the form of 0 and 1, how it can do understand numbers? Because yeah, numbers are there, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But yeah, our device is going ahead with 0 and 1. So how the things become possible into it? For that, we'll do take use of one more number system, which is decimal number system. So earlier there was a problem that we'll do defining the things in the form of 0 and 1. Now what if I want to write some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as we do have the numbers over our keyboard. So in that phase, how the device can understand this. Let's do have a look to this approach, what decimal number system talks about and how ultimately binary is linked into it. So as there we have the binary number system. Now let me write down some numbers, which is the 0 and 1. So as we were discussing, if I need to go ahead with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how I can move further. In that phase, our device take use of decimal number system. Yes. What developers this into it? Let's suppose if I need to define number 2, because the device is understanding ultimately in form of 0 and 1. I said 1101 is 2. So by doing such things, I am making the device to understand the numbers that we will see. Now let's suppose I have given number 12. So how this 12 is being stored in the form of 0 and 1 in a device? Let's see. Here we do consider the base of 2. Now why 2? Because in binary number system we have 2 bits, 0 and 1, right? So that's why we will be taking this up. Now I defined 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now if I take this information, 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2, 4, 8 and further 16, 32 and so on. So how our device will understand this number 12? It will gonna understand like this. Once input to the device, it will check with these bases. Now let's do have a look. Now here the device compares the things in a way. Is it possible I can do fit 16 into 12? No, it's not possible. But it's for sure possible that 8 can be a good fit into 12. Right? So what device will do? Device will say, okay, 1, because yeah, it will be fit. It's a good fit in this particular thing. Right? So define the number 1 and I did 12 minus 8. The remaining number is 4. Device say, can 4 is going to be the good fit into the remaining number, which is 4? Yes, it is. 1. Now after that we do have nothing, so saying 0 and 0. Let's do have a look with one more number, which is 56. If I need to see how the system will be understanding this number at the back end, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again define the same things. Like this. Let me just define one more. And starting with 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. We can also go for 64 as well. Till there. Now here comes the question again, is then 64 is going to be a good fit in 56? Not possible. But 32 can be. So what device will do? Okay, 56 minus 32. The remaining is 24. Then here it defines, okay, have a look to this one. Then 16 can be a good fit in 24. Yes, it is, because we can minus 16. So how much we will be getting? It's 8, right? So system will say, okay, 16 is going to be the 1. Then again, 8 is going to be the good fit in 8. Yes, it is, 1. And the rest which is remaining, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Also, vice versa will happen if I need to see that whatever the binary taken by the system, like what's number, what's the thing behind it, I can do it, make it reverse. Like I'm gonna do, as we got this number, which is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, is 56. This is what we do know. If I want to get it back to see what this particular binary is doing at the backend, for that, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna again create the table like this. I'm gonna make 2 to this. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now we will check these numbers. Let me just write it down at there. So what we will gonna do, we'll just define these numbers like this. And we can add the numbers over where we will be getting the value 1. So 32 plus 16 plus 8, which equals to 56, right? So in that phase, we can do understand how the binary number system is helpful for us. Now you guys will ask one more question. Let's suppose now we do have characters like A, B, C, D and all. How the device will do understand this? Yes, that's the thing that we will be going to understand in the next session, where we will be going to talk about the ASCII table. So that is it in this one. I hope you guys understood the concept of binary number system and how the device is understanding the different characters, numbers and all in the form of binary, right? So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.